today I will discuss infinite series of higher mathematics of class 10. Question number 2, write down sequence from their general term are given. Number 1, 1 plus minus 1 to the power n. Number 2, 1 minus 1 to the power n. We have to find out sequence. How is it possible? Look at the board. It is easy to solve. It is not hard. Okay. Here, solution 1, given that 1 plus minus 1 to the power n. We have to find out sequence. Here n, 1, 2, 3, all natural number. Here sequence from their general term. The sequence is, we have to put the value of n1, value of n2, value of n3 here. Number first, 1 plus minus 1 to the power 1. This is first sequence, comma. Next, we have to put the value of 2 in this question. Next, 1 plus minus 1 to the power square minus 2. Then we have to put the value of n equals to 3. Here we put the value of n equals to 3, comma, 1 plus minus 1 to the power minus only 3 dot dot up to infinity. Okay, here we calculate this problem. 1 plus minus 1, here power odd number, so here sign is negative, plus minus a minus 1. Similarly, power even number, so sign is positive, 1 plus 1. Next, 1, here sign power is negative, so sign is power odd number, sign negative, plus minus a minus 1. Then another question, similarly, if we put the value of 1 plus minus 1, 4, then up to infinity, then what is the value? 1 plus, here power even number, so sign is positive, 1 plus 1. So we can write 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 2. This is required sequence. Okay. Next question similar. Okay. Next question number 2. Similarly, we put the value of n. Number 2, given that 1 minus 1 to the power n. This is also same rules. Here value of n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to infinity, all natural number. So required sequence is, here we put the value of, similarly here minus, here minus, here also minus, here also minus, then other is same. Similarly, we put the value of n1. Firstly, we put the value of n equals to 1, here n1. Then we put the value of n equals to 2, n equals to minus 1, 2, here 1 minus 1 to the power 2. Then we put the value of n equals to 3, 1 minus 1, 3. Then we put the value of n equals to 4, 1 minus 1 to the power 4. Okay, next here we calculate this number if here power odd, so sign is negative, minus a plus. Here power even number, so sign is positive, plus a minus 1. Here power odd number, so sign is negative, minus a plus. Similarly, here power even number, so sign is positive, here 1 minus 1. So you can write you can write 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 2, 0. This is required sequence. Okay. Write down sequence from their general term are given, number 1 and number 2. Okay. Next. Next question 3. Now we solve another question. Find the partial sum of 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus up to infinity. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus up to infinity. Here we have to find out partial sum. Firstly, we have to know formula of partial sum. How we use this formula? Firstly, here we know first partial sum. Firstly, we here n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Here all values of n, all natural number. Okay. Then we can write first partial sum S1. Here first term 1, then we can write 1. Then second partial sum, here S2. Here partial sum S2 mean S1. S1 mean 1, here 1 plus second partial sum what? Minus 1. Here plus minus 1. Third partial sum S3. Here value of n equals to 3. third partial sum, second partial sum. Firstly, we put the value second partial sum 1 minus 1 plus third partial sum here first, second, third 1. We have to calculate value of 1. This is 0. Fourth partial sum. Fourth partial sum is 4. Here the rules say same. We have to put third partial sum. Here third partial sum 1 minus 1 plus 1. Then fourth partial sum what? First, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Fourth partial sum minus 1. Then minus 1. So we can write minus 1, 1, delete, minus 1, 1, delete, 0. Here also up to infinity. Okay. Next. We can see above, we can see that it can be seen that we have to write a statement in this question. It can be seen that for odd n, the nth partial sum S1 0. We can S1 1, not 0. Here value of S1. We can see here S1 equal 1. When n here n natural odd number, when n1 mean odd number, 1 here 1 odd number, so we can see that for n odd n, the n partial sum S1 equal 1. And when n even number, when n even number, so n partial sum what? So we can write S2 equal 0. And okay, and for even n, the nth partial sum is to equal 0. We can see above example. Here S2 mean Sn, n partial, n, Sn, here Sn 0. For even n, here n is even, not odd. Here also S1 1 and Sn 0. For any even number, we can see above example Sn also 0. So it is observe that there is no specific number which is the sum of the series. It is observed that there is no specific number which is the sum of the series. Here, no specific sum in this question. For this reason, we can write it is observed that there is no specific number which is the sum of the series. Okay. This system is partial sum of the question. Okay. Next, question on 4. Next question, find the sum if exists of 1 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3 square 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 3 to the power 4. Find the sum of exist of above. Find sum. Here we have to know the formula of sum up to infinity. This is the formula sum is infinity a 1 minus r. This is the formula of sum up to infinity. We have to know formula. Okay. Next, solution. Here first term a equals to 1 by 3. Here common ratio r equals to 1 by 3 square divided 1 by 3. 1 by 3 square 3 by 1. Here also 1 by 3. Here r less than 1. 1/3 equals r less than 1. We know the formula. We know sum up to infinity. Sum up to infinity is infinity a divided 1 minus r. This is the formula. Okay. Next, here we have to put the value of a and r. Here value of a equals to 1 by 3. One-third. 1 minus value of r also 1/3. We calculate. Here we calculate 1 by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So we calculate this quotient. 1 by 3 into 3 divided by 2 equals to half. This is the result. Okay. These are equal results. Please don't forget, be like, share and comments this math. Okay. Allah Hafiz, no more today.